In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Webflow website super fast. Speed matters for your visitors and for search engines, and the good news is that Webflow gives you built-in performance switches that can make a dramatic difference with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to find them and what each one does, so you know why you're turning them on. Begin by opening your Webflow dashboard and selecting the project you want to optimize. Once you're in that project, go into the project settings to access all the configuration options for your site. From there, open the site settings area. This is where Webflow centralizes controls that affect how your site is built and delivered. Next, move over to the publishing section. Inside this section, look for the performance settings. This is the toolkit that helps reduce file sizes, prevent slowdowns, and prioritize what loads first on the page. Now enable the option to asynchronously load JavaScript. This tells the browser not to pause page rendering while scripts are being fetched, which helps the first parts of your page appear sooner and makes the site feel snappier. It's especially helpful when you have multiple scripts because it reduces render blocking behavior. Turn on Minify HTML. Minification removes whitespace and comments that browsers don't need, shrinking the size of your HTML files. Smaller files travel faster over the network, which cuts down on time to first byte and initial render. Turn on Minify CS. Just like with HTML, this strips out unnecessary characters, resulting in leaner style sheets. Smaller CSS means quicker downloads and faster painting of styled elements. Turn on Minify JavaScript. This compresses your scripts by removing spaces, shortening variable names, and cutting comments. The behavior of your code stays the same, but the payload is lighter, which speeds up execution and delivery. Finally, enable per-page CSS. Rather than sending every style used across your entire site to every page, Webflow will include only the styles required for the page being viewed. This reduces unused CSS, trims the initial download, and improves rendering, especially on content-heavy projects. Why does this work? You're reducing what the browser has to download and process, and you're preventing scripts from blocking the first render. The result is a faster first contentful paint and a smoother overall experience. If you rely on custom or third-party scripts, keep an eye on behavior after enabling asynchronous loading. If something depends on strict load order, you can revisit the same panel and adjust that toggle. That's it. These performance optimizations are now applied to your published site. Congratulations on making your Webflow website super fast.